What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. One of the things I realized, you might see products in the background, but I was sitting there thinking, I was like, some of you guys might not even know what the products do, what they are. I'm explaining to you the benefits of my hair grooming products and what each product does. Quick background, my products are called Dixon 1737. The reason why I call it 1737, I started cutting hair at 1737th Street. So I took it back to the basic of where it all began. So that's why I named it Dixon 1737. So the first product is my leave-in conditioner. It's the #1 selling product out of all my hair grooming products. Now, a leave-in conditioner, this is the most important thing for your hair because what it does is it's basically food for your hair. I always like to use the example plants. When you water plants, the water goes into the soil and it gets into the roots, and that's how a plant grows. It's the same thing with your hair. You want to condition your hair because the most important thing about a conditioner is for it to moisturize your hair follicles. Now, when your hair follicles are moisturized, they get strong and they stay. If your hair follicles are weak, they can wither and die. You don't want your hair follicles to die because that's when your hair starts to fall out, and nobody wants their hair to fall out. You can use this for all hair types, curly, straight, kinky, wavy, and it moisturizes your hair. It curls your hair, it shines your hair. If you want those waves to be enhanced, it'll help enhance those waves. You can use it every single day, but if you don't want to use it every day, then you use it a minimum of 3 times a week. With this leave-in conditioner, it has none of that icky stuff, no petroleum, no lanolin, no parabens. For this product, the ingredients I like to highlight are mineral oil and soybean oil. Both of these help promote growth to your hair, they help strengthen your hair, and they most importantly help moisturize your hair. Second, I have the 1737 Miracle Oil. Now, the dope thing about this oil, it has 5 different oils: avocado oil, sesame oil, castor oil, olive, and sweet almond oil. Now, the benefit of this is it has a dual purpose. You can use this for your hair and beard. So it moisturizes it, it shines, it makes it smell good, promotes growth to your hair. You can use this miracle oil on a daily basis with your hair or your beard. Like if you have patches on your beard or you have dry spots on your beard, this is good for that and your hair as well. One of the things that people like the most about this is the smell. The smell is very pleasant, it's fresh. What I hear a lot from guys is this has a nice sneak tip smell. Now the sneak tip smell is when a woman hugs you and she's like, oh my God, you smell so good. That's what this is. And the smell isn't overbearing, it's very natural and it lasts all day. You can use this with all hair types: curly, straight, wavy, kinky, even on a bald head. I didn't want to forget about my bald head brothers. You have a bald head and your scalp looks dry, or you have dry spots on your scalp, or you want your bald head to look shiny, this miracle oil is for you. Then I had the Dixon 1737 beard butter. This serves as a conditioner for your beard. So think of it as the oil that I talked about before. When you put it on your beard, that's good for the hair. Now, the beard butter is good for the skin under, so you won't have those dry patches on your beard. Ingredients in this is avocado oil, shea butter. Now, shea butter is good because it helps your hair grow and smell good, and it moisturizes your beard and makes it softer as well. So you can use this on a day-to-day basis. This is for all beard type. You can use it on a short beard or a bushy beard. If your beard is bushy and you want it softer, so when you comb it that it doesn't hurt going through your beard, this is ideal for you. The smell, it's nice and fresh and it lasts all day. This is good with the combination of the miracle oil and this beard butter. Perfect combination. You'll be good all day, especially when you go outside in that sunlight. You'll get that gling, 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 that shine to your beard. Then I have the Deep Moisture Repair Shampoo. The main thing that this is for is to clean your hair. But it not only cleans your hair, it also moisturizes your hair as well and reduces thinning. If your scalp is kind of dry and you have light spots in your hair, this is good because it reduces the thinning. Or if you feel like you're going bald, this helps with that. You can use this for all hair types. One of the things that I did with this shampoo is I added a tingling sensation so you know it's working. And the reason why I added the tingling sensation, because to me, a hair wash should be an experience while you're in the shower. I didn't want it just to be a normal hair wash. I want it to be an experience. This has a nice minty smell, and when you feel that tingle, you know that it's working to get rid of that dirt. You don't want to wash your hair every single day. I highly recommend that you wash your hair twice a week. You wash your hair every day. You can actually strip the natural oils in your hair. So you don't need to wash your hair every single day. I know some of you guys go to the gym, just rinse your hair, but wash your hair twice a week. And this would also make your hair smell good as well. I want to highlight the tea tree oil in this. Tea tree oil is good because it moisturizes your hair and it helps your hair grow and gives your hair a pleasant smell. This is the Dixon 1737 Deep Moisture Repair Conditioner. Now, this is not a leave-in conditioner, fellas. A leave-in conditioner, you leave in your hair. With this conditioner, you rinse it out your hair. This is good because it moisturizes your hair, it strengthens your hair, and softens your hair. This, along with the shampoo, adds an extra layer of moisture to your hair, strengthens to your hair, and softens your hair. Now, you don't need to use this every day. You use this once a week. For every third hair wash, you wash, and then you wash and condition your hair. This makes your hair smell good as well, and it has ingredients like mineral and peppermint oil. Now, one of the things that peppermint does, it not only smells good, but it helps bring back to life those hair follicles that are dead. So this also strengthens your hair as well. But with those follicles that are kind of like that dead, we want to bring those bad boys back to life so your hair won't fall out. And that's what this conditioner does. Lastly, this is very important. You use this after you use the shampoo. So you wash your hair first and rinse out the shampoo, and then you follow it up with the conditioner, and you let the conditioner stay in your hair for the remainder of your shower, and then you rinse it out. But you want to let this sit in your hair because it provides an extra level of moisture, and it really does all its work while it's sitting in your hair. And those are the hair products that I have. For my YouTube community, I'm going to do something special for you. Use code YouTube and you get 15% off your order. That's when you order through my site. Now, I also have links on Amazon. You can get it as well on Amazon, but you won't get the 15% discount using code YouTube. It makes sense to go to my site, or you can also click on the pictures in the video and it'll take you to my site as well. For my YouTube community, I got you guys. These are all the hair grooming products. They're made for everyone. Anybody can use them. So you might be using something now, but go ahead and try my hair grooming products because I know you'll be pleased with them. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.